Chaos erupted in Texas, United States, today Saturday, December 28, 2024. Residents were shocked as severe weather brought a massive storm that produced highly destructive tornado funnel clouds. Earlier warnings were issued that a tornado would pass through areas including Austin, Harris, Montgomery, Liberty, Brazoria, Galveston, Houston, New Caney, Conroe, and Katy in the state of Texas. The powerful tornado caused widespread damage, including destroyed homes, overturned cars, fallen utility poles, torn off roofs, and debris scattered across several areas. At least one person was killed and 4 others were injured due to the tornado in the northern part of Brazoria County, according to the sheriff's office. The tornado was caught on camera touching down in an area in Katy, near the intersection of Pitts and Freeman Road. Debris could be seen swirling in the air. The epicenter of the damage was located along Barton Cliff Drive and Castile Drive. The intensity of the storm and tornado was so severe that it overturned 2 parked vehicles, prompting a tow truck to be called in for assistance. In just a matter of seconds, the tornado caused extensive damage. Besides Texas, severe weather is expected to intensify in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Consequently, over 5,000 flights were delayed in or out of the United States on Saturday afternoon.